I'm trying to do one take. Okay, wait.
It's been a while. You can tell, it's been a while.
All right, that look good? That look like gangster?
You
look like a hobo?
Look like a hobo.
Hobo Remington back here, as you can see. Semi driver, you know, driving by. But anyway, it's been about 3 months, and as you see, we have the truck. And if you know Rams, you can see that it's a limited. Also, I told you I was going to order a limited, and so I did. And I'm trying to shoot this video because it gets dark earlier and there's no semi driving by. And so trying to get this video out there. The truck is still dirty, still needs detailed because it has little blue check marks all over it when they did their little 100-point inspection. But we're just gonna keep rolling this video, try to do one take, maybe 2 takes, maybe, who knows. All right, so let's go this way. So we're just gonna go over the truck, and this is basically completely 100% stock. I just put a hitch in it, that's all I've done. And it has 240 miles on the odometer. So 20-inch wheels. We opted for the weather package, so it has the bigger tires on it, the cab lights up top, and then we'll finish off in the front, but we'll get on the side here. So like I said before, limited. It does have the 360 camera on it. So you see right here, there's a little camera under here. Try to see what else. You have the keyless entry, so it keeps my pocket locked. Maybe. There it is, unlocked. As you saw, power steps on it. It'll take a second. There we go. Moving down the side, we did get the Megacab, so you see it has the big old back inside it, which we'll move on to the interior here in a minute. I'm trying to think what else. We didn't get the air suspension because I didn't want the air suspension because of what we're going to be doing to it. I didn't want to deal with any of that. My buddy Wesley has one with air ride and he likes it. I'm not a fan, but moving on back here, you see you have another camera in the third brake light. You have your 5th gen HD tail lights, so you get with the Laramie or higher. I don't know if you can get them on Bighorns or not, but they have the blind spot monitoring there inside them, the sensing, so it shows up in your mirror. I'm freezing. I know new for either 2021 or 2022, they added a light in the tailgate. So this is also a little switch there, drops it. As you can see, there's a bunch of check marks in here I got to clean off. You have a button for your bed lighting, maybe. There it is. So bed lighting, and then come on around here. And as you can see, has a 5th wheel, gooseneck prep package in it. So it's all ready to go. Just pull the pucks out, put the gooseneck in, and you're good to go. Another camera on the tailgate. Let's see, parking sensors down low. Stock emissions crap. Pretty much that's the basics. So the outside of it, color matched front and rear bumpers. You get the little door handles with chrome on them. Again, the limited down the side. This side's the one that's completely dirty. I went to a mud hole or something, as you can see. We did option for the Cummins engine in it. So right there you go. I guess come around here to the front, we'll show the front end. So the limiteds are the only ones that I believe you can get with these headlights. So this is full LED, turn signals, low beams, high beams. They also turn with you when you turn the steering wheel. So we'll go ahead and illuminate those so you can see what they look like. So you can see that flashed LED, and you have LED projector, and then these right here are the high beams, and those also, no, the low beams right here is what turns. So then come right here to the front, you have the limited grill, another camera, you have your chrome tow hooks. So that's basically it for the exterior, and we'll go ahead and go to the interior. Okay, so here's the interior of the truck. As you can see, got the nice stitching on the doors. And then I don't know if this is changed for the 2022s or if it was always like this, but all of the chrome trim inside here is no longer brushed aluminum. It's actually like a gunmetal, black gunmetal. And then I did option for the 17 speaker Harman Kardon sound system. So it has, you know, the big 17 speakers inside, but you know, soft touch leather everywhere inside here, wood grain As you can see, also got a sunroof in it. And here's the nice seats with your stitching on it there throughout the whole truck. The piping has a little tread inside here from the leaves. Limited badge, and then you get the limited steering wheel and everything. See a nice shot of the interior of this, and as you can tell, there is the big old radio. So super convenient, super nice. But let's go ahead and jump in here to the back. The seats are reclined back here, so as you can see, and I'm 6'3", 6'4", and I have complete room in here. This is me comfortably driving in the truck, and I could actually slide forward in the truck. So a 7-foot person probably could drive or ride in this pretty comfortably, actually, unless you have, you know, 5 people that are 7 feet tall, and then it might not be too comfortable. But back of the seat, you have that limited stitching, and then you have the piping all around the whole seat inside here. Same thing with the rear door. You got the nice stitching, the wood grain, soft leather everywhere, and then again that gunmetal run through here. So I don't know why they didn't do the door locks like that, but that's for greater minds than mine. All LEDs other than the vanity lights in the mirrors, but I mean, just super nicely. Look at that, covered in leather. I remember we went from a tradesman to literally the top of the line truck. So we'll go ahead and hop up in here and see inside it. So here we are inside, and I honestly hate having a vehicle without window tint because everybody can see you, and it's just, I don't know, really annoying. But anyway, we'll go ahead and start this thing up. I don't know if you can see, actually has, sorry, 319 miles. When I bought it, it had 11 miles on it. We'll go ahead and turn this off. And there's the big old big radio there, your navigation, your CarPlay, I mean, your climate control. I mean, there's everything inside here. So there's a lot more that I haven't learned about, but see, apparently it also went to a new system as well, a new Uconnect system, or new software. But, and then as you can see up here, you have the mirror that turns into a digital mirror. Turn it off by switching it, but super nice. I mean, I give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. So there, and then you get your keys there, or my keys are there at least. More storage, a little dirty down there, and then go up here, that. So there's a little light in here. So I'm not really too sure what changed from 2021 to 2022, but absolutely amazing. So there's your sunroof, and then you have your options up here, so you can turn the inside lights on. Let's see, you can drop the tailgate from here, just like you can drop the tailgate from your key fob as well. So if I double tap that, it'll drop the tailgate. But and there's power throughout this whole truck inside here. And as you can see, there's the Harman Kardon sound system. There's a speaker right here. It does have the adaptive cruise control, and it also has the lane assist, which I don't use either one of those. But if you're buying a limited, why not go ahead and buy a fully loaded limited? And you go up here to the instrument cluster, and you have just massive amount of options just to go through every which way. So this isn't as intense as the Tradesman, or it's about as much as the Tradesman it was up here. The only difference is it's more digital and it's more fancy. This, however, is completely different than the navigation radio I put in the Tradesman we had. But all in all, this thing is absolutely comfortable. I mean, you can see, I mean, I'm very, very comfortable inside here. So, and then you do have all of your power options over here. So you can change your positioning of your convex mirror outside, and then you can also change the regular mirror. You also have memory seats, and then you also have full power folding mirrors. So that's nice. And you have, you know, obviously your windows, your child locks, unlock, lock, And yeah, that's enough of that over there. Obviously, push button to start, keyless entry, basically all the bells and whistles. Only thing it doesn't have is it's not a dually, and it's not a high output or night edition or air suspension. That's the only thing that I didn't option for, but has everything else. So yeah, absolutely insane. We'll get a video of this thing, how quiet it is, and I'll go ahead and pop the hood so you can listen to this engine to see how it looks. I've never had a engine this clean or anything like this, so I totally forgot what it's like having a Tune and Deleted, or a not Tune and Deleted truck rather, but your big old intake here, so air runs through here and comes up through here. The 4th gen I had a big old inlet inside the grill right here. But this one just has that big old rim, but it has a better shot. The LED lights, now they flicker on camera, but they don't flicker in person. But absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. So I'll go ahead and go kick on the fog lights so you can see what it looks like. There's the truck with fog lights. And it's pretty cool how these headlights operate. So if you turn over a certain speed, this outside one turns. And if you have your high beams on and you turn, whichever way you turn, the fog light actually turns on. And these lights are absolutely insane. So I'll step over here. You can actually, they shine out to about right here, all the way from the truck. And I'm basically parallel to the truck and the wheel, so, or perpendicular, or whatever you want to call it. So they have a lot of output on them. Again, you can see the cab lights there, the mirror lights. So yeah, absolutely insane, absolutely insane. So the next video I make will probably be discussing of what we're going to do to the truck. I actually have some parts on the way, and I already have some parts at the house. If you follow my Instagram, you will have seen some of the parts that I've gotten. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. But until next time, peace.